In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send media from Adobe Bridge into Premiere Pro seamlessly. This workflow is an excellent way to streamline your video editing process, making it easier and faster to go from organizing your media to cutting your edits. If you've ever found yourself bouncing between these programs, staying organized with this method will really save you time and effort. Let's start by opening up Adobe Bridge. This software is a powerful file management tool that allows you to preview, organize, and batch process your media files, ensuring you have everything ready before diving into editing. Once Bridge is open, navigate to the folder containing the video clips or media files you'd like to send to Premiere Pro. This could be anywhere on your computer, so feel free to use the navigation tools in Bridge to locate your specific folder. After you've located the correct folder, take a moment to preview your media. Adobe Bridge offers a convenient way to do this, as you can see thumbnails of all your files at a glance, allowing you to quickly select the clips you wish to edit. To select them, you can simply click on each file while holding down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac to select multiple files. Make sure you've selected every piece of media you want to transport over to Premiere. With your desired clips selected, it's time to bridge the gap to Premiere Pro. Head over to the menu at the top of your screen and click on Tools. Here, you'll find an option for Premiere Pro. When you hover over this option, a submenu will pop up. Select Edit, Create a Sequence from this list. This action effectively sends your selected clips from Bridge straight into a new sequence within Premiere Pro. Now, this is where the magic happens. Premiere Pro will open automatically if it's not already running. It will take just a moment, and then you'll find your selected clips already imported and arranged into a new sequence. This feature eliminates the need for manual importing and arranging, giving you a seamless transition into the editing phase. Once you're in Premiere Pro, you can start editing your sequence as you normally would. Feel free to add your favorite transitions, effects, and audio tracks to give your project that polished, professional touch. Remember, the same organizational skills you applied in Bridge can assist you in staying efficient as you edit in Premiere. This workflow not only streamlines your creative process, but enhances your overall productivity. And there you have it. A quick and efficient way to transfer your media files from Adobe Bridge to Premiere Pro, setting you up to focus immediately on what really matters, your creative vision. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.